Hi, welcome to today's session. In this class, we're going to discuss about concept JavaScript object notation. So why we need this JavaScript object notation? Because if we going to store any information or when someone adds any new node, and how we're going to save that particular information in one file, and how we're going to fetch that information efficiently, that's why we're going to use what this JavaScript object notation to store the information. And when someone adds any new node, with respect to new node, if any information is there, I want to save that information in one file, and how I am going to fetch that particular information. That's why we're going to need this JavaScript object notation. So first, what you will do here, first you're going to create the folder. With respect to folder, I created, that is file name json.js. So you can give any name here. So I given the name, that is json.js. Now what I did here, first I created the variable obj. For that variable obj, I am going to giving the information, that is a label, that is name, then value, that is a string value. Then I created the in variable obj. With respect to obj, this is the information. Then I created another variable, that is string obj. It is assigned by json.stringify of obj. What json.stringify will do, it will take the object obj, whatever the information is there, it going to be converted into string format, and that result is going to be saved in the string obj. What json.stringify will do, whatever the obj it is taking as input here, whatever the information present it is there, whatever the information present in the obj variable, that information is going to be converted into string format, and it's going to be saved in the string obj variable. Now I want to print that thing in the console, so that I am going to use console.log of type of string obj. What it will give, string obj type, that is type is what, now what I converted, that is string format. Then console.log of string obj, so it will give the information present with respect to this variable, that is in the form of string format, name, and another one is what, Mohan. So now I want to run this code in the console. So what I am going to do, first go to that particular directory where you have where you saved the file. Now under the node.js, I saved the file. I created one more directory, so I am going to that particular directory, cd space hello. Then how you going to run the program, that is node space json.js. So this is the output, that is one, first one is what, string, that is string is what, this one, type of string obj, string. Second one is what, string obj, that is name, and another one is what, Mohan. This is the information present in the obj file. This is first thing. Then we will pass string. Okay, so that I will comment for this one. And I will comment for things, we'll see it later. Okay, I created the another variable, that is a person string. Here I am passing this one as entire in the string format, that's why I given single quote here. Okay, name within the double quote, that is label, value Mohan, age, then value, this is what numbering, that is what 25. So I created the another variable person. This is the string I assigned to person string. I created another variable person. Now json dot parse of person string, so it will take the value from here, that is what, string value. what json.parse will do, it's going to convert this string into object format. Okay, json.string i5, what it will do, it convert the what whatever the object it is there into the string format. Json.parse, what it will do, it's going to convert the string value into what object format. So console.log of type of person, so it will give the what object format. Then console.log of person, it will give the information. So whatever the string is there, to convert it into object format. So if I run this code, so before running the code, save this program, save this code, then next again I am executing this one. Okay, correct, that is what object format. Then name, automatically that is what string. Mohan is what string. Age, that is what 25. This is in terms of object, previously in terms of string. So this is the what usage of JSON, that is json.string i5 and json.parse. In detail we will look in this one here in next so I will comment for this thing. Then please look at this example. Okay, first we will discuss first one, that is correct. Now I am using the const keyword, that is fs it is with respect to file system. So I am using the keyword for that const. Already we discussed this thing with respect to first class. Here I am going to load the API, that is a file system API. It is present in the URL nodejs.org/API, nodejs.org/API. Here I am loading the what file system. Here I am going to load the file system, and I am going to be assigned to the keyword fs. First I am going to load the file system through fs, so I am going to assign to fs. Then I created the variable, that is a title note. In the title note I am giving the two information. One is title is wt lab, and the body session what I am giving, that is easy. So this is the variable, that is title node. Under title node I given the information I am going to be saved with respect to this variable. I initialize the variable title node with this information. Firstly what I did, I loaded the file system, I assigned to fs. So that is what const. Now I am creating the another variable, that is short note, that is variable. Then json.string i5 I am going to handle with respect to this one title node. What this will do, it's going to be convert this information into a string value, and it's going to be saved in the short note. So whatever the title node information it is there, it's going to be converted into string format, and it's going to be saved with respect to short note. Now I am going to be write. Okay, what file system will do with respect to file, any reading and the writing operation. Already we learned this one in the first class, that is fs dot write file sync. Fs dot write file sync, with respect to the another file I am going to write the information. First parameter, that is what file name. First parameter is what file name, and the second parameter is what whatever the information if you want to write in that file, you need to give it here. Okay, first thing is what file name, that is what another one is what variable short note, what information is there in that variable, that is what whatever the converted string format, it is available in the short note. Whatever the converted variable, it is available in the short note. That is with respect to this file, I am going to save this one short note here. So now first you're going to if I want to run this one, so whatever the information is there here, this information is going to be saved in the file, that is notes.json, right? So control s. Okay, again you need not to create the another file automatically. This one fs, it's going to create the file notes.json, and this information added into this file. So if I run this code here, node space json.js, so there's no output, right? Because I am not printing anything here, right? Okay, now what you'll do, okay, notes.json, automatically this file is created. Go to this one, see here, title, and this one is what is converted into string format. That's why title it is in double quote, wt lab double quote, body and the value that is in the what double quote. Okay, so this is the output of this one. In notes.json file it is updated. Then again what I am going to do means, okay, I want to read from that particular file, that is what notes.json. Whatever the information present in the notes.json file, I am going to read that thing, that value, and I want to print that value in the console. So I created the another variable notes.string through the file system fs.read file sync. What it will do, it's going to read the file, that is notes.json. Whatever the information present in this file, I want to read that information. So then I am using I created another variable, that is node json.pass. Now it's going to be convert whatever the string format it is there, it converted into object format, that is node string, with respect to node string information. So with respect to node string variable, whatever the information it is there, that is what nodes.json. In the nodes.json, this is in the form of string. Now it is converted into what object format, that is by using json.pass. Now I want to print this thing, console.log type of note. So this is one object, and another one is what note.body. So what is the note.body? Body value is what, that is this one, right? So this one that is easy, I am going to print in the output, right? So for that, what you will do, again control S, then you need to save. So we need to run the program. Yes, perfect, correct. That is object, then easy.